Hey y'all, I'm Melissa Guerra. I am the kitchen wrangler and I will be here at Quinta Mazatlan on November 18th to talk about a subject that I truly love, which are the indigenous tribes that lived along the Rio Grande River. What's exciting about the Rio Grande Valley is that back in the day, it was this incredible crossroads for the different tribes that were traversing the Americas. I love living in the Rio Grande Valley because we're at this very exciting point where the English-speaking Americas sort of fades away and Spanish-speaking Americas rises. And to get to see the merging of that culture here at the river, for me, is incredibly compelling. I have a list, a very old list, of the tribes that were documented who lived along the Rio Grande River. And what's so exciting for me is a lot of them derived their names from what they ate. So for me, as a food writer and food historian, I find this completely exciting, and I would absolutely love to share some of this information with you. So join me here at Quinta Mazatlan at 6 p.m. on November 18th, and we'll be talking about Thanksgiving and the tribal heritage here in the Rio Grande Valley and our food history. You know, this is all stuff that I totally love, and it would be such a pleasure if you could join me. I'm Melissa Guerra. You can follow me on Instagram, but come see me here at Quinta Mazatlan. I'm looking forward to seeing you here on Thursday. Bye now.